Hi guys, how you doing? Today I am going to be showing you how to adjust your headlights on your Lexus. If you have this problem that I ran into as well, I ran into this problem when I drove this car from New York City to Texas. And mind you, the headlights, they were like that. I could barely see like maybe 50 feet in front of the car the whole way down. So let's get on with the job. Okay, now this system is called the AFS. Sometimes if you shut the car off and you turn it back on, let me do that. I'll reach my hand over here, cut it off. All right. Okay, let's go again, start it up. See where it says AFS? Okay, that's the headlight, where the headlights will be turning left, right, up or down, depends on where that sensor is sensing to tell the car like, okay, you got load in the back and you need to adjust the headlights. So I had a problem with that. I was hunting all over. I couldn't find out where or how to get this done. Now inside the footwell, if you look here, you'll see where it says AFS off. You could turn it on and off by this button right here. Right, and you can see there's another function there as well. That's for the tire pressure monitor to set it. All right, so this button is where you turn the system on or off. So when you push that button, you will see the light in the dashboard that says ASF off. All right, this is underneath. This is the driver's side, and this is the passenger side. Now the sensor is actually located right in here. So if you can see right on this rod right here, this rod is connected up to that sensor up in the top. So as the car turns or goes up or down, this arm right here moves up or down, depends on how much weight you got in the back of the car, and it will tell the sensor up on the top here, this sensor right here, right, to turn on or off. Now if this sensor goes bad, you can literally change it from back here. This is where the sensor is. Mind you, it's painted in gray because right now I'm gonna be taking the car back to New York, so I'm trying to rust proof underneath the bottom of the car as much as I can. I'm using like some other stuff, so I'm already starting with it already. I gotta finish up the job. Anyway, back to what I'm saying. So the sensor is located right in this area right here. Okay, so that's where the sensor is. So underneath here, you will find this piece of plastic right here. What I did, okay, these tabs are really like weak. Okay, let me put that over there. So anyway, let's get on with it. You're gonna pull this up, right? Pull this thing up, and then if you notice, you see this little hole right here. Now on the inside there, I could try to zoom it as much as I can. On the bottom inside there, there's a screw. And that screw, if you turn it like, let me see, I'm gonna turn this way so I can remember. All right, if you turn it this way, like clockwise, that moves the light downwards. If you move it anti-clockwise, this way, it will bring the headlight up. So that's how I cured my problem with the AFS. On the passenger side, it's over here as well, on this side, right behind this. Pull it up, give it a pull. Okay, all right, so you see right here, right down inside here is, you just use a Phillips head screwdriver, and you just poke it down into this hole right here, and then you just turn it. You'll feel it when it grabs, and that's how you adjust the headlights on these Lexuses. This one here is a 2007 ES350. I'm not sure if it will be effective for other cars or other models, but this is how this works if you have this said problem, because I've went online and I've seen a few people have the same exact issue, and I couldn't figure it out myself even when I was looking around on the forums. Okay, so on that note, I hope that, you know, this video reaches somebody and try to help somebody with this frustration if they have it. All right, so you guys can hit me up, subscribe to my videos. I have more videos to come. So as you can see, I still have the roster here going on. The Spec B is over there, the E63, my A5, and the ES350. All right, so hit me up, and hope you guys have a good one. All right, take it easy. Bye-bye.